Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about 14 string operations in Python programming, and we are going to do the one after the other. We're going to divide these 14 string Python operations into 14 strings programming, 14 string operations in Python programming into three stages. Today we're just talking about the first four. We're talking about str.lower, str.upper, str.strip, str.split. So let's start. For the first one, we're talking about first method one, string dot lower. Okay, this method converts all text or character or text or character into lower case, or the case may be. Here's an example. st equals to delta reward welcome to class. Okay, so let's use the first method. Print st dot lower. So let's see what our answer will be. Should enter welcome to class. See that our first spelling of welcome start with WE. Okay, let's correct that the case maybe with E here. Should enter. Okay, now it converted, it changed all the words in the string to lower cases, as the case may be. Now let's go straight to method 2. String dot upper. This method converts all text or character into upper case, as the case may be, into uppercase. Let's try with another string. Okay, let's define our string like, okay, I go into, okay, zy, okay, just name our string zy. Okay, let's see, speak on call. Okay, okay, anyways can do today. See, okay, all are in lowercase. Okay, but with the method we can format it to become uppercase. So let's click on print zy dot upper. Should enter, so that it converts our string to all letters in the string to uppercase. And method 3, as the case may be, method 3 is a string.strip. Okay, string.strip. Okay, this method remove all unnecessary words, white space. It can be done in three ways. Okay, I will list the three ways this can be done. Yes, it can be done in three ways. I will list them all and also explain how it works. Strip remove all white space before and after the string dot strip remove all the white space before the string. And last one, which is string dot arrow strip, remove all the white space after the string, as the case may be. So let's give an example. Let's see how to do this. Okay, let's continue with let's call back our string st equals to welcome to class. Assume there is a space after I write this. As I says, we now give a space. Assume we wrote our string like the string st. Okay, let's call this a sty. Okay, sty, something like this. So this nation sty. Now with this method, we were able to format or remove this unnecessary space in our string that we tag welcome to class. For example, so this is what we do: string print string. Okay, the name of our string is sty this time dot strip. Next, okay, next, okay. So the first one is okay, L, the other one is R, as the case may be. So let's see what our answer would look like. Shift enter, you see that our answer have already displayed. Let's shift down. Good. You see the first strip without L and R before it did something important. Remove the white space before the string, which is this white space, and the white space after the string. The middle one, which is string.strip, remove just only the white space before the string, which talk about this space. This space is also visible here because everywhere is white. We cannot see it here. Okay. Now the last one only just remove the string after the string, the space after the string, which is this empty space after the end of our string. So, but you see that the space before the string is still left alone. So, if you want to remove the space after the string, you use this format. We say print bracket sty dot out strip. So, string are used to remove unnecessary spaces, either before or after or in both sides. Okay, now let's go to the next method, which is method 4. Okay, the next method. Okay, this third method. The next method, which is string dot split. This method split the string into different word sub string as the case. Okay, let me use what substring as the case may be. So let's start with example. Okay, this time we will use the word welcome to. Okay, hello Python, hello world as the case may be. Okay, let's use the word hello world. So okay, let's GRT as our string name, and we have a sentence. Hello world as the case may be. So if we use our fourth method, let's see what our answer will be, which is print dot grt dot split in bracket, shift enter. See that okay, it's separated hello as a string on its own and word as a string of its own. So please, next time we'll continue from the rest method how we can manipulate string with this special Python coding. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. You can also comment in case you have any questions. Thank you.